Hello guys, in the last video we talked about the padding and margin. So in this video we talk about the graffiti and layout graffiti. So first let's talk about the graffiti. So the graffiti value, the graffiti of a layout sets the content in it to a particular, to whatever place you set it to in the graffiti. Okay, that might be so confusing, but let's look at it. So let's click on graffiti. So we have some options here. We have left, right, central, horizontal, top, bottom, then center, vertical. So if I should click on center, select central, vertical, central, horizontal. So you can see all the content within this layout is set to be horizontally, is set to the center horizontally and vertically. Sorry, is set to the center horizontally and vertically. So that's the work of the graffiti. And if I should set this to left, or let me set this right instead, you can see that it is set to the right horizontally, then set to the center vertically. So that's the work of the graffiti. It sets the widgets within a layout to whatever area you want it to be. So let's leave it as center. Let's take it back. Let's just select everything. Okay, now we are back here. So now let's look at the layout graffiti. Let's click on it. So layout graffiti is to set the position of widgets inside the layout. Okay, this button here, I want to set it central. I want it to be horizontally in the middle and vertically centered also. So I'll click on the layout graffiti. I click on the button actually. Click on the button, then you can see it's displaying the button here. By the way, this is the ID of the button. It's called button 1. You could change that later on. Just you could scroll to the ID over here and set a new ID for it. You can call this example underscore exam, okay, example btn for button, and save that. You can see here the name changes to example btn. So that's just the ID property. So back to what we were saying, to set the button horizontally, center in the middle and vertically centered also, we come to layout graffiti here, then select center horizontal and center vertical, then it is centered horizontally and vertical. So that's the graffiti and the layout graffiti. Please, if you haven't watched the former videos, please do watch so you understand what we have been doing so far. And please subscribe and like and share this video with friends. See you next time.